Hi, this is Matt from Start Hiking, and today I will be taking a closer look at this new meal from REAL Turmat, their brand new chicken curry. REAL Turmat is a Norwegian brand with a wide variety of stews, soups and mueslis. The meals are vacuum packed and have convenient tear marks for opening and eating. Today I'm trying the new chicken curry, which has an improved recipe and a new preparation for the chicken meat. And this is how it looks from the inside, a meal without water. Let's fire up our canister stove. Later on we will be using this lower tear mark. Looks like we have a rolling boil. REAL Turmat meals are freeze-dried, so all you need to do is add hot water. This gives them a long shelf life and makes them lightweight. All you need to do now is give the meal a good stir, close the zipper and wait for 8 minutes. When you've waited 8 minutes, give it a final stir and you're ready to eat. When the meal is ready to eat, you open up the lower tear mark for easy access. And the final result is this creamy chicken curry. I really like this chicken curry. It's really creamy, tasteful, and the chicken meat is very tender. Having tried the previous recipe, I can say this is a real improvement. The added spiciness gives it a good kick and the chicken is really juicy. If you want to get your hands on some REAL Turmat, please find the links in the description. If you like this video and want to see more hiking videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.